Today, we're unboxing the Kaabo Warrior 11 Max. To get started, I'm using a small knife to cut the plastic straps securing the box. They're easy to remove. Personally, I prefer opening scooter boxes from the bottom instead of the top. It just makes everything neater. After slicing through the bottom, I carefully unfold the cardboard flaps and flip the back panel open. Then I tilt the box over to fully open it from the bottom. And there it is, the Kaabo Warrior 11 Max. Once the box is open, I move it to the side to keep everything organized. I don't want to misplace any parts or tools. Aside from the scooter itself, here's what's inside the box. 2 chargers, a user manual, a set of bolt covers, a toolkit, a separate booklet for the smart central display. Now it's time to remove the foam packaging. This part is pretty straightforward. Just lift the stem slightly and slide the foam blocks off from both the front and rear. Fair warning, this scooter is heavy. My back definitely felt that lift. Next, I take off the protective plastic by sliding the scooter out of it just like so. Once it's unwrapped, I roll the scooter back into the garage. Then it's time to remove all the bubble wrap. Now we need to get the scooter standing upright so we can finish the setup. One of the first things you'll need to deal with is the folding mechanism. It's tight, and you want to be sure you're doing it right. Start by inserting the pin to lock it in place. Then press the latch and twist the safety knob to secure it fully. Now it's time to install the handlebar. To do that, remove the 4 screws from the stem cover using the toolkit that comes with the Kaabo Warrior 11 Max. In this case, we use the 5mm Allen key. After removing the screws, align the handlebar, position it properly, and screw everything back in carefully. If you tighten it incorrectly, the handlebar won't sit straight. Don't over-tighten just yet. Leave it slightly loose so you can adjust the position to your liking. Once you're happy with the alignment, go ahead and tighten it securely. To clearly see what you're doing, make sure to remove the bubble wrap around the handlebar and smart central display. With the bubble wrap gone, you now have a clear view. Double check all screws to make sure the handlebar is tight. This is critical. A loose handlebar can be dangerous, especially on a scooter like this that can reach speeds of up to 50 miles per hour. After tightening the screws, I test the handlebar to make sure it's safe and secure. Next, tighten the display bracket if it feels loose, but not too tight. You still want to be able to rotate it when folding the scooter. Now for the moment of truth, we turn the scooter on, tap the NFC key to unlock it, and just like that, it's ready to ride.